Thank you so much, the foundation, Gusi Foundation, the family. Thank you so much, Ambassador Gusi. What an honor to have your prize, really. I'm really thrilled, and I'm deeply honored. I'm especially grateful to Cécile Alvarez, UNESCO Artist for Peace, with whom I have had a privilege of collaboration for many years. Thank you. And really, you brought me to Philippines. Thank you, my dear Cécile. My artistic journey has always been rooted in the pursuit of peace. And I am profoundly moved that my sculpture, The Tree of Peace, has been adopted by UNESCO as a symbol of dialogue and reconciliation and the symbol of the road to peace, a program that was initiated during the Executive Board 2022, supported by 76 members of states. It's a symbol of dialogue. The sculpture now travels across the borders, carrying its messages wherever it goes, and today it stands in 21 countries around the world. The Tree of Peace brings together the symbols of peace from Christianity, Islam, and Judaism. I'm deeply moved at the initiative of the governor doing. It will be installed in Marawi on the 29th of November. I have dedicated the courage and resilience of the Filipino people after the long siege and the immense human sacrifice of 2017. It also stands as a tribute to the end of the conflict and to the new autonomy that is bringing renewed hope and peace to Mindanao. So I dedicate it to the people of the Philippines, and I'm dedicating it for the peace in the world. Thank you.